Hello everyone, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a snippet roll. And I had done this a while back, and it was when I was playing with my laces. And so since we were going through kind of a lace series, I thought it would be kind of fun to show you this. Hope you enjoy it. So here it is, and basically what I did with it is I sewed, I picked out this kind of like vanilla, like a little beige strip of fabric, which actually was, I believe, like a curtain tie maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna try to put it up pretty close so y'all can see my wonky stitching. It's not too bad. Okay, so what I did is I basically layered. Okay, so let me start from one end here. And so there's all kinds of colors, different kinds of beige colors and creams and whites, and I'm trying to put this way up front here so you can see the detail. I hope that y'all can. It's a little hard to show. I gotta put the camera a little different. But yep, that's like a piece of a doily. And then this is another little bit crochet. There's some, you might recognize some of the lace that I showed you because a lot of it did go in here. This was that pillow sham. This is that gorgeous, not trim, I think that was a curtain, a piece of a curtain doily. And then this pink corduroy fabric was from a pair of pants that I got at a garage sale. So, and then yeah, this is this really pretty trim that has pearls in it already. And then here is this really pretty piece. I think it was from a napkin. And of course I put the white, little white rectangle first. Then there's this trim that I love so much, and that was in on a pair of shorts on the side. Then I backed this piece with this beautiful lace, and then this white is just like a piece of a design that was on I think on that sham. And then I just put that pretty little ribbon with a little cute little button. And then we continue with some white lace. This is purchased lace I bought at Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then we go to this white kind of linen fabric. I put a little square right there, and then layered it, put this little bitty bit. Then there's that little velvety pink, there's that corduroy, and then there's that little bit. Then we continue on to the crochet. Like, it's kind of hard to see because the background is similar to the lace. And then this pretty thing again. And then there's that gathered trim. I know I showed you that in the one of the lace videos. Another square. And what it is, it's a white square. And then I layered the white square with a kind of a beige square, and then that fabric lace napkin and another small snippet of a piece of lace. It's a little hard to see because it almost seems like it's part of this, you know, because they're all, but I try to put it on the white part so you can kind of see it a little bit better. So then we continue here and have this really pretty gathered white, and again I made a little ribbon and made a little bow and a little button. There's some of that trim that was kind of hard to sew. I think I might have ended up gluing that. And then this trim is super cute, super cute. This was out of one of the bibs or collars, if you will. And then here is another little square, and then put another little bit over that square. And then this is just kind of an irregular shape and in white, and then I put the very creamy light beige doily, little doily. Then there's that beautiful ribbon with the pearl, another little piece of that beautiful sham that's embroidered. And this pretty little thing, again with like a little gathered, already done. I put little bow, and I backed a lot of this onto, I mean this one onto that beige. That's why there's a lot of this in the background. So this is the first layer, and then this was the second layer, and then I put, you know, like the little squares, and like in this case you see the white square, it's a big one. Then I put that half a doily, and then I put this bit, and then this is the sham again, little piece, this white one, and then this really pretty deal here, which I think I ended both ends with this kind. So anyway guys, yeah, this is kind of what you can do with your lace. Now the people use it in different ways. I think one of the points of it, and if I could find the video from Gail, I will post it below, but I watched a video from her a while back. I want to say maybe about 6 to 10 months ago, and she was one of the people that inspired me to make the snippet roll. And so I'm gonna see if I can link her video, but yeah, it's you know, one of the ways that she said that you can use this is if you need to make pockets or embellishments or things like that. You know, you could just kind of cut a piece depending on what you're wanting. And I think that's a fabulous idea. The only problem is I haven't been able to cut this because I love it so much and it's so sweet that I just could not find it in my heart to cut it. But I could totally see that this would be super helpful for me if I, you know, if I needed pockets or, you know, any kind of embellishments. It would be just easy to just cut a piece out of this, you know, and it would just make my life a whole lot easier. But you know, I just don't seem to do that very well always. And so yeah, I'm having a hard, I think maybe because it's my first snippet roll, I don't know, but I am gonna try to make another one. I don't know when, but I'm gonna be playing around with my lace, so there's no telling what can happen. And but yeah, I think that's a super idea to cut, you know, bits like this. Once they're you kind of put them all in one thing, and then you can cut them, and you know, it's kind of like you have some quick lace embellishments ready to go, and they're kind of already layered and everything. So I think that's a really snappy idea. And so anyway, I wanted to share that to kind of complete the lace series here. And yeah, I may be, I don't know in what order this snippet roll is going to come in, but I do want to maybe show some embellishments with the lace in some of the junk journals. Maybe just in a pocket or on a page. I'm not sure yet, but anyway, leave your comments below if you would like to see something like that. And also, as you know, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see videos like this, and give me a share. Give me some shares, people. Put this on Facebook, or if you're a member of a Facebook group, crafting, you know. I don't know if you're allowed to do that, though. I think sometimes if you're a member of a group, you're only supposed to put up your work, so maybe not. But anyway, depending on the rules, but you could definitely put it on your own personal page, and that's always nice. And like I said, if people like it, they'll see it. If they don't like it, you know, they're not gonna be bothered. So anyway, just trying to get out there and share, and love to see all those comments, all that feedback. Lets me know people are watching and keeps me motivated to keep going. Also enjoy the idea that I might be motivating and bringing a little light to somebody today. So have a wonderful day, guys. God bless. Love you so much. Love you so much. See you in the next one.